All right, so I got some chicken livers here. Now this is the first time I've ever actually attempted to fish with them, and they look disgusting, and they're juicy. As a matter of fact, they were like so juicy that it was like leaking out of the package in the store. So I didn't have any cut bait or any live bait or anything like that, and everywhere's pretty flooded to throw a net. So I figured I'll give some of this that people rave about a try. Now, I don't really know. I've heard that it's hard to keep on a hook. Definitely feels gross. So I'm going to do the best I can and just sort of thread it on there. I've heard pantyhose. There's like some bait wire, but I also believe I can probably just throw it on there like that, and yeah, just hope it stays on. We'll put it like that and we'll give it a try. We're going to cast it out and just let it sit and then try to do some bassing. Yeah. So let's sit right there. Oh, we got one on. Yep, we got one on, baby. We got one on, baby. Chicken liver. Oh, he's wet. All right. Yeah. It's actually putting up a fight. It's actually putting up a fight. Oh. Well, I guess being bird caged wasn't so bad. We got this catfish right here. We got him. We got one.